Let's make a super pretty farmhouse inspired bunny wreath. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so we start with this bunny wreath and these faux tiles from Dollar Tree. And all I'm going to do first is trace each of the ears onto the faux tile. Obviously, I've used this one, but I'm using up pieces that I had in my stash. So we're going to trace both of the ears, and then we're going to trace the outer portion of the circle inside part, right? And then we're just going to cut them all out. Easy peasy. Then I do 2 coats of paint on each of the items. There that is. Let it dry. And then, yes, I know some of you are not liking this distress thing, but I love it. I did a little wax on a piece of sponge and I'm just wiping it on there. Then after that, I take a distressing brush and some ink and I go over it. Next, I have some, this is jute rope from Dollar Tree, and I think I used 4 packages. It might have been 4. It might have been 3. Now I can't remember. You'll have to see as we go through. I think it was 3. Sorry. Anyways, I put a little glue on it and then I just start wrapping it around that circle and go all the way around. Cut the edge, the end, and then add some glue to secure it. Perfect. Now the ears, how I did it, you could just wrap it around and that would have been so much easier. But instead I did this like, I don't know what this is called, whatever this is, a slip knot or whatever it is. I make a loop and I put the jute through it and pull it through, and I did that all over the ears. And then when I went through all of them, I just secured it with some glue on the end. Perfect. Next, we're going to go hot glue all around the circle. I should probably say, let me back up and say that don't do the jute too tight or else it'll make the wreath warp. Just word to the wise. All right, so back to this. We put glue on, then we put our circle part that we cut out. We put that on top of it. We're going to trim off any excess because we don't want it hanging over. That would look gross. Then you could do this one of 2 ways. You could put the glue on the jute part and then put the ear on. But what I found easier was to put the glue on the ear part and then add the jute wreath after. It just felt like it was a little bit more secure this way. I don't know. Either way, however you need to do it, glue that part onto the wreath. Perfect. Then I'm going to go around, and this is why I used 4 of the things of jute, was because I went back and I covered the back with jute. Like I just went and outlined the ears and then the circle part, just because I thought it looked unfinished and kind of yucky. So there's that. Look how pretty. Then all we're going to do is add some greenery. Now, you know this isn't my thing. I'm trying. But love me through it. I'm trying. I put a couple little sprigs. And again, I just pulled these off of little things that I had gotten from Walmart or Dollar Tree. Then I'm going to add a couple of cute little flowers that kind of speak spring to me. But however you wanted to make it, it's so versatile. You could put so many different things. You could even put a messy bow there. However you want to make it look cool. It's up to you. It's your bunny wreath. You do it how you want. But look how cute. I think it came out really pretty. I'm super happy with it. I am grooving on it. I like it. But anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.